Hello, everyone. Today, we will show you our full day routine from morning to night. We wake up early at 6 a.m. The sun is so bright and beautiful.
We always make the bed together. It is our first task of the day.
Then, I brew some fresh ginger tea. It smells wonderful.
I read the morning newspaper to know what is happening in the world.
I water my plants every morning. They are so green and healthy.
Now, I help set the table for breakfast. We are having eggs and toast today.
Let's review our morning verbs. Wake up, make tea, water plants, and set the table. At 1 p.m., we cook lunch. I am stirring the vegetable soup now.
And I am slicing the cucumbers for our fresh salad.
Lunch is ready. We eat slowly and talk about our morning.
I wash the dishes and Grandma dries them. We are a great team.
Grandpa takes a short nap at 3 p.m. It helps him feel energized.
I dust the furniture to keep the house clean and tidy.
In the afternoon, we do some light stretches to stay flexible. New afternoon words for you: cook, slice, nap, and dust. Well done!
The sun is setting. It is such a peaceful evening.
We sit and discuss our plans for tomorrow. Communication is important.
We watch a documentary at 7 p.m. It is very interesting to learn about nature.
For dinner, we have a light meal. I am heating the food now.
A short walk after dinner is good for digestion.
We read our favorite books before sleeping. It is very relaxing.
Good night, everyone. It is time to switch off the lights and rest.
A good routine makes a happy life. What is your daily routine? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe to Nana English Daily for more stories. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.